Good morning, students. Today in this class, we are going to discuss about the components of the map. All of you, you must take your social textbook, page number 30. You must observe here components of the map. The following are the main components of a map. The following are the main components of a map. First one, directions, scale, symbols and colors. These are the components of the map. The four components: directions, scale, symbols and colors. You must observe this picture. Compass. It is a compass. This one, scale. And this picture here, you must observe the symbols in this picture. The symbols, the tree symbol, houses and other Kacha road and other symbols also there. Next one, colors. The blue color, green color, yellow and brown. These are the four components of the map. First of all, we are going to discuss about the first one, directions. Okay? Right. You know, in the previous class we discussed about directions, the north, south, east and west directions. Those are the cardinal directions, and the intermediate directions also there. The intermediate directions, north, east, southeast, southwest and northwest directions also. Right. If you stand just opposite to the sunrise, if you stand just opposite to the sunrise, that means you are seeing east direction. You must observe this picture. Here a girl standing opposite to the sunrise. You must observe here the sunrise. Okay? If you stand just opposite to the sunrise, that means you are seeing east direction. You are seeing east direction. The rising sun also there. And at your back is west direction. Here this is east direction, and that is your back, at your back is west direction. To your left is north direction. Here the north direction, north, and to your right is south direction. Here the south direction, east, west direction, north direction and south direction. Among these four directions, north is treated as principal direction. You must observe here north. Among these four directions, north is treated as principal direction. Here you must observe here. You must observe these arrows. This arrow means that it indicates the north direction, and this is south direction, and east and west direction also there. You must observe it is direction, this is north direction. Okay, children? Right. Among these four directions, north is treated as principal direction. That is why all the maps contain north arrow with the letter N. You must observe here N at the top right hand corner. When you know that north, you can find out the other directions. When you know the north, you can find out other directions. For example, east, west and south, east, west, north and south. We have four major directions: north, south, east and west, which are called cardinal directions. cardinal directions. The other four intermediate directions are northeast, southeast, southwest, and northwest. We can locate any place more accurately with the help of these intermediate directions. You must observe this picture, right? Yes, here the girl is standing opposite to the sunrise. Here the sunrise. Okay? You must observe the north direction here. This picture totally you must observe, right? The page number 31 you must observe. Let's do go through the above 3.7 figure and fill the following table. Direction, object. Okay, go through the above 3.7 figure and fill the following table. You must observe this picture once again carefully. Right. Yes, fill the following table. First one, north. First one, north. You must observe the north direction. What are they in north direction? Yes, hills and trees. Hills and trees are there in the north direction. So you must write down the hills and trees. Hills and trees in the north direction. Here, hills and trees. What about northeast? Where is the northeast direction? This is north and this is east. Between this is the intermediate direction, that is northeast direction. In the northeast direction, there is a temple in the northeast direction. Temple. What about south? Yes, you must observe the south side of this picture, that is a well. A well is there in the south direction. You must write down this. Here, the well. What about southwest? Southwest direction. Where is the southwest? This is the south direction. This is the west. Between this, it is southwest direction, intermediate direction, southwest direction. Here, what is there in the south direction? Yes, in the south direction, southwest direction, there is a masjid, mosque is there in the southwest direction. You must observe the east side. Yes, the sunrise. The east direction, the sunrise also there. What about the southeast direction? What is the southeast direction? You must observe the picture. Southeast. Where is the south? This is the south direction and this is the east direction. Between this, yes, here, this is intermediate direction, that is southeast direction. What is there? Yes, here the school is there. You must write down the school in the southeast direction. What about west side? West side, here the west side is a house in the west side. Okay. Next, what about the northwest? Where is the northwest direction? This is north direction and this is west direction. Between this, the intermediate direction, that is northwest direction. What is there? Yes, here the church is there. You must write down the northwest direction. There is a church. Okay, children, you understand? Right. So you must observe this picture. Here it is the north direction, it is south direction, and it is east and west direction. The intermediate directions also there. This is north east direction, this is south east direction, and this is north west direction, and this is south west direction. Okay children, you understand? Right, this is the first component of the map, directions. Okay, thank you very much.